1. Last weekend, Sarah, Mike, and Emma decided to watch a new film together. They checked the reviews online and found an interesting action film called The Lost Kingdom. The trailer looked very gripping, showing a brave hero fighting against an evil wizard. 2. Before going to the cinema, Sarah told her friends, "This movie has both magic and adventure. I'm sure this is a must-see and we shouldn't miss it." Some of them have different favorite types of film. Sarah is interested in romantic films and soap operas. Mike is fond of musical films and war films, while Emma loves watching science fiction and documentaries. But then they finally agreed to choose this film because they wanted to choose something new. 3. At the theater, they were surprised with the creative posters displaying the famous actors and actresses. The main star was particularly well known for dramatic roles. The audience was huge because the director had previously made successful thriller and fantasy films. Emma wished she had booked tickets earlier as the queue was incredibly long. 4. During the movie, they experienced various emotions. Some scenes were frightening and shocking, while others were moving and hilarious. Mike found the production value excellent, especially the special effects. However, Emma said some plot points were confusing. She wished the story wasn't so complicated, though she admitted it wasn't boring or dull at all. 5. After the movie ended, they went to a nearby cafe to discuss what they had just watched. The animated scenes in the film were perfect, making the horror elements less violent for younger viewers. Sarah thought the ending was quite surprising, while Mike found it a bit disappointing that some questions weren't answered. 6. I heard this is part of a series, and the filmmaker is planning to make 3 more parts, Emma said. They were all excited about this news and decided to participate in an online survey about the movie. The comedy elements throughout the film made it more interesting than they had expected. 7. That night, they all agreed it was an excellent choice to watch something different from their usual hobby. The experience was truly enjoyable. They discussed how the main star could act so well in both drama and action scenes. Emma admitted that although some parts were scary, the movie was worth watching. They made plans to watch the next part together when it would be released.